Welcome to channel. So guys, so first come to www.gigabyte.com. You can see this is officially website. After that, you just see here search button. You just click. After that, you enter your model number of your motherboard, Gigabyte B850 Eagle and Ice, and then hit enter. Then you can see here a product, and then click to title of here name. Then again go to this automatic to new tab. You can see this is your motherboard. Then click to support here. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 or 11. This is making a video for Windows 11, but if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and you can install driver as a installation process same. Okay, so first you can see audio driver, so click to download. You can see 165 size MB. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to setup. Okay, so this is extracted file. You can see here this is exe. Just double click. Now this is copy, and after it you can see here the extract to your system to for the then click to yes, and now this is extracted to its to your system. Now you can see this is audio driver is installing. Wait few seconds, it will complete it, so automatically closed. Okay, then close it. It is done. Chipset driver, extract it. You can see AMD chipset driver. Just single click this download icon. You can see here it is downloaded started. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Just double click to open. I show you how to install this chipset driver. So guys, it is completed. Open, and this is, you can see this is extracted chipset driver. So you can extract to a specific folder, otherwise you can just double click to open this. Okay, this is you can install directly. If you are facing some issues and facing some errors like that, so you can extract and then try to install. Then click to yes. Now you can see here the installations process fully open. Okay, this is used and this is install it. Okay, and then closed. Then LAN driver, so Realtek LAN driver, and this is size and this is latest. Just click to download. So then it is downloaded. Open this and double click to exe, and then yes. The LAN driver gigabyte, and this is version. So it is done, and then close it.